Criterion Mountain Bike Tours, Episode 2, Hunters Creek. Still on the Nevada side of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Still snow way high up, 8,000 feet. You still got snow over in the California mountains. So we're going to check out Hunters Creek, which is completely just flowing from all the snow melt. This is how you cross these things right here. Getting it done. Such a cool little area. And this is the only way we're going to get a look at the waterfall right here. Let's sneak right behind you real quick, bud. Let's stand over here real quick, bud. Thanks, John. I just want to see this real quick and I'll get out of your way. That thing is ripping, man. That was a lot of water.